Malema wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me Addo search me.
See na ma me impression say and this o ma so mba bibia maga.
Oh no.
Any brand say ne na ekoso bi enyo na no mo. Not because they were coming to do something better. If they had to even reduce the economic projections for the year 2025,
they would.
The eco drew average of 5.7. Our more projections antimi ambro 4%, and mama who say doom song kuma take half of that projection away.
Yeah.
Because and can any one ma productivity be form. Economy need to be seen in also. Can any ho. And to all the populist conversations and arguments no more no. Won't mean so can even how many ministries and agencies no more generator. Our more year even one shift now the three become.
Ain't possible.
In what world would a 24-hour economy succeed in darkness?
Enra. Honorable Kosia Kwabaha was say, but you said before say economy also be 24 hours. Adena Central Business District Accra was say and why to Pamubu Yanko Tinefi. Was it yet no idea they are already in business, but what's the one more are you choked? It's no awkward Pamamu Yanko Tinefi. Na anadwe sa wo so be 24 hours eti ye ni situation say anadwo ko beto aye adwuma
24-hour police surveillance system
e wo hoda da enya do kre e wo hoda da me wo
120 achievement one
obo enya do kre me wo cars me wo pictures of 24-hour surveillance monitoring the police workers
and the police be adwuma anadwo e say there
police station be dey omotuma anadwo
e won 120
obo enya do kre.
Even police post I about 10 now or Taifa no way and I dream na mo ye adwuma.
I won 120.
And you know, and I'm say omo diagnosis ni wrong no mo kan no kren so ntino. Doom so na widespread though. It's no longer an Accra Kumasi issue.
Voter region.
Rural Ghana no mo dundum light so o master to do. Obi ka cham say and Akuffo Addo on kind da ye doom light or burger. And so doom so e bi aduru ho. So nyane for say be aduru ho no. O comment baby o musi dum so even omo demands even peak demands are very low even those within the netco areas ye dum. So the truth is that they know say omo be solve the problem where say akwaye President Akuffo Addo and in the energy ministers bisa say na mo ye ne sen e be an arrogance na mo kwan and it is also because omo win election and omo ball and throw cashier kese and almost said, my best wa Ghana for say, ya to fuel and so na 5 hours standing in there.
Oh, for Kruya.
And I want to press conference.
5 hours.
And I press conference say, Nanka doom so beba. Now so they've been able to avert the situation. Monkai. And I'm a patch away. You have off the lights more in 4 months more than President Akuffo Addo did in 4 years from 2020 to 2024.
Maybe a minister 5 hours.
And at the end of the day, no, say na ye cancel the part. Now international media cross the power cut president is gone. No Akuffo power cut president. So we were not expecting anything different. But Omoa, I said the lies, the sweet talk, all the skills kasa deni bibiana ediom edwuma ediom because say sumne the one I just say manager for 4 years when him say dey me to be talk your friend is saying diesel bear say 400 cedi 500 cedi generator because mesua there I need the light and it's a sad situation because how many people na betimi are for this and I say so since 2016 Ghana your temperatures are very high even Accra hwehwebo na kane ni ho na nipa na bridge na wia so anadwo no asakwa koda sum.
All right. It's former Minister of Information.
And in the face of that, near South to Nkania boom over 14%.
A broke rad name.
Now, we trust I and about me and a ECG for Sika and about me and Aqua Mitaba. Now, so we were opposition. Mahama Mitaba on the this Kabe Bregusa.
Bamian Akuffo Addo have telaba.
I'm trying to say.
Anyway, I would do. Almost an idea. Okay. And I would my bow back.
So, on mobile, no, say, yeah, or Becca, I say, I can't 5 hours.
na be
Yeah.
gidi no later almost o ma procure biaba.
Yeah.
On him said before a few days ago, or share parliamentary committee, the committee on energy, or say a 2.6 days. Liquid fuel na ewo ho no. Say anya bia ye be call a power crisis. Within hours now, no shall issue statement and say, oh, Minister of Finance I issue SCA. Now, Omanya 450 but hey, my share actual figure 50,000 my share barrels of
Obi sending me UCC. I will say India ni bi or where the company go put the omoye the plastic bag factory.
Yeah, omonya na omo North Industry.
Was sending their babies as a water. Jumu soda man was lose a lot.
Omo North Industry.
Pictures, any pictures, any videos was it or motor. Any
North Industry.
Any CCA. While reduce no from $250,000 from $350 to $250,000. What's what on up with the baby? India need
you see Ghana for home and check. One say minister can say Oma Woka Okoti NDC near his own team can. Neutrals now no more shout to as his Omania appointments are Omun team Kasa. Very soon core NDC members will start talking about doing so. Once a Volta region, you see minister Volta regional minister, I know MC.
And Volta regional minister, any MP the Fed say crumpun.
No complain, they say doom so doors or Volta region. Okay. Say MPP are buying.
There be this.
Okay. Now and no pa metie menya penyi Don Dramani Mahama. Obeka say o campaign mode. Greater Accra. My goodness, promises. Any big push. Never big push be here. Me say big push we be here Ghana solve Ghana problems na $10 billion no. E me bisa. Na big push ask we kra ye ko fa wan.
So why
because Ghana electricity, Ghana BBI electric energy sector, ye road sector. And no road so kan erudi ye my goodness.
Was say oba be dualize o Kumasi kwan. Adesu ye gusu ye. Na na Akuffo Addo start. Aye.
And I Kumasi kwan the dualization do na NPP na
ye. Una say na zia ye. But name boy ye about na mo ka 24-hour economy oboy no so. And I'm bisa say na 24-hour economy no. So be adwuma na ajo. Founders, welders near here we can say and this for yeah. Now mo your campaign from day one now he say omo hu say ade na entro. Welders. Omo national chairman say omo ba 24-hour economy so bo ye welder.
Menya adwuma
ewia. Ewia nka 24 hours so.